Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in any textbooks. What is caloric theory and why was it abandoned? Note, this is thermodynamics, not chemistry. So, it was assumed it was a fluid-like substance for describing heat. It was massless, colorless, odorless. It was abandoned because it was just proven there's just no such thing. So here's the more in-depth reason, which is more or less the same reasoning. Okay, so thanks for watching. I highly recommend you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things just happen. You can do this using snipping tool. So click on your snipping tool icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open the program. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent. Once you have it open, follow these steps. Click on video option, click on new. Left click, drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square to stop recording in snipping tool, save your video. Thanks for watching, hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.